Today we are doing just this one powerful, exceptional exercise which can rebalance your hips, it can strengthen your pelvis, it can help with SI joint pain, weak pelvis, flaring rib cage, uneven shoulders, uneven hips, weak inner thighs, adductors, and a lot more. It's a very simple yet very powerful exercise. All you need for today's class is either a yoga block or one of those Pilates balls or a very firm pillow that would kind of break down to about this much. All right, let's begin. We are going to start on our backs. Keep your block near you, lower down onto your side, lay back onto your back. As you lay down, you're going to bring the block, the medium side, between your knees, and you're going to bring your feet just about hip width apart or block width apart, and you're going to lower the lower back down onto the ground, and you're going to squeeze the block with your thighs. The block is right above your knees in the soft part of the legs, not on the knees. So from here, you're going to squeeze, and as you squeeze, identify your pelvis. This can also teach your hips to work in balance. It can click, so to speak, the hips in position if they're slightly off. And it can mobilize the core, mobilize the pelvic floor core. So give me a few squeezes. You're gonna squeeze and hold and release. Squeeze, lower the lower back down, hold, release, squeeze and hold, and release. Now for the next three, try to engage Mula Bandha, which is your Kegel muscles. You're lifting the pelvic floor. Engaging the pelvic floor as you squeeze the block, release. Engage the pelvic floor as you squeeze, release. Engage the pelvic floor as you squeeze, release. Very good. Now we're gonna bring in the shoulders, which makes this a full body balancing exercise. Reach with your hands overhead, but drop your shoulders down, which teaches you shoulder scapula mechanics, lat mechanics, etc. So shoulders down, hands up. Shoulders remain down. Squeeze your block, lower back down on the floor, and you're gonna reach overhead about halfway down as you squeeze and reach back up. So you're gonna reach as far down towards the floor as you can without removing the lower back from the floor, which is about halfway down for most of you, more or less. Let's go again. Squeeze the block. Lift that lower belly. If you can identify the muscles here now, lift them. If you can't, that will come with time. This is just interoception or connection or internal connection to different parts of the body. All right, from here, squeeze the block and reach overhead. Keep the shoulders down. Now, for the next one, do exactly the same thing, and if you feel inspired to, now or next time you come back to this exercise, to this short video, give me a touch of stomach vacuum. Not mandatory to do it, but it can really help you activate the deep core. A few more of those, and just pay attention to the different working parts, because your whole body is essentially working here, and you're teaching your body how to reach overhead with proper mechanics, how to engage the hips, the pelvic floor, and core. Rest for a second. Let's go again. One more. and you can remove the block from between your legs. Lay here for just a moment in order to integrate all that your body was learning on a somatic level. So your body was rearranging its mechanics, it was realigning itself so that you can move properly during movement, everyday movement around your house or in general. Rest here for just a second, allow the integration of this new way of moving into your body. And for more tips and videos like this, stay tuned, subscribe, because I'll be posting short educational videos like this one. If this video helped you, share it and give it thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below how you felt during this exercise, where you felt it the most, where your limitations are the most. Thank you and have a beautiful day.